Today unboxing is on the pair of Tomica Aeon exclusive, and that's the Valentine Day car, which features the Mazda RX8 and also the Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 10. These are not new casting, but rather reissue from the retired mainline. Big thanks to my buddy James from Japan, who sent a few of us this pair of casting. And unlike other Tomica, it comes with a clear display case as well. These are very common sight in Japan, especially from hobby shop or reseller, where they want you to see the box condition as well as the car condition. It comes with the Tomica 50th anniversary logo and the background, the Valentine Day chocolate call out, and also the Aeon logo. Wow, nice! Contain the chocolate, which I'll share with my kid later. Casting wise, very vibrant body color in red because it's for Valentine. You can see the printed livery on the front grille and also the Mazda logo. No details on the headlights, and that's the shame. Quite a decent details for the rear. You can see the livery on the rear lights, which is great, and also the RX8 lockup. Comes with the standard factory suspension with the evergreen Tomica button wheels, and overall a very clean and sleek RX8. Next, the Aeon exclusive Evo Lancer 10. Similar box design with the 50th anniversary logo and the background. Same chocolate as the RX8, very beautiful and premium body paint in pearl finish. And unlike the RX8, it comes with racing wheels. It features opening doors on both sides, as well as standard factory suspension. Details wise, very basic. You can see the Mitsubishi logo on the front, and on the rear, painted rear lights, and also printed Mitsubishi logo. I remember last year was the Morita fire truck. Overall, very awesome pair. More new Tomica 50th anniversary unboxing coming next week. And remember to subscribe to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section. Thanks everyone. Bye.